Welcome to Healthy Care. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for new parents: infant nutrition during the first 6 months. Your baby is about to go through an amazing growth spurt, and proper nutrition is essential. Expect your baby to double their birth weight by around 5 to 6 months and triple it by their first birthday. To support this rapid growth, they need a lot of nutrients, more than at any other time in their life. Experts agree that breast milk is the best source of nutrition for babies during their first 6 months. It's perfectly balanced with all the nutrients your baby needs. However, formula can be a good alternative if breastfeeding isn't possible. Let's look at some key nutrients essential for your growing baby. Calcium helps build strong bones and teeth. Fat provides energy, supports brain development, keeps skin and hair healthy, and protects against infections. Folate assists cell division. Iron builds blood cells and supports brain development. Breastfed babies might need iron supplements. Protein and carbohydrates provide energy and fuel growth. Zinc supports cell growth and repair. Vitamins are also crucial. Vitamin A keeps skin, hair, vision, and the immune system healthy. Vitamin B1, thiamine, helps turn food into energy. Vitamin B2, riboflavin, converts food into energy and protects cells. Vitamin B3, niacin, converts food into energy and processes fats and proteins. Vitamin B6, keeps the brain and immune system healthy. Vitamin B12, maintains nerve and blood cells, and makes DNA. Vitamin C, protects against infections, builds bones and muscles, and helps wounds heal. Vitamin D assists calcium absorption and maintains healthy bones and teeth. Breastfed babies may need a D supplement. Vitamin E protects cells from damage and strengthens the immune system. Vitamin K helps blood clot. Most infant formulas are made from cow's milk and are fortified to resemble breast milk, providing essential nutrients like carbohydrates, iron, protein, minerals, and vitamins. Some formulas include additional nutrients such as essential fatty acids, ARA and DHA, important for brain and vision development. Nucleotides, boost the immune system and aid digestive organ development. Prebiotics and probiotics, promote healthy gut bacteria. Preterm babies or those with low birth weight need special nutrition. They might require fortified breast milk or specially designed formulas that are higher in calories and enriched with extra protein, vitamins, and minerals. Avoid giving your baby whole cow's milk during the first 12 months. It lacks essential nutrients and contains too much protein, sodium, and potassium, which can be harmful. Also, steer clear of soy milk and homemade formulas, as they may not provide balanced nutrition. Ensuring your baby gets the right nutrition in the first 6 months is key to their healthy growth and development. For more tips on infant care and health, subscribe to Healthy Care and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.